and I'm just on a roll. No, I'm just kidding. I'm glad that I'm finally doing it. Good morning, YouTube. Hey, today is a great day. I have been at this YouTube thing for, like a month now? And I'm just on a roll. No, I'm just kidding. I'm glad that I'm finally doing it. It's a beautiful summer morning, and I'm in the hills in the middle of nowhere. But the house is gorgeous, and I'm just super excited to see the project coming together. I was thinking this morning just about like growing in business, and I listen to like a lot of podcasts, YouTube videos about doing what you got to do to get where you want to go. It's not all glitz and glam. No, this looks really good. This looks good. Like these two are really good. But thanks again for stopping by. I just want to say, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. Also, just one more thing, tap the notification button so that you can get alerted when there's new content. Thanks for watching.